The Larson Electronics temporary power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 120 and 240 volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. A weatherproof flip cover at the front of the unit can be lifted upwards via an accessible handle which serves as protection for breakers and receptacles. This power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a steel cart-style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. 2 rubber tires and a cart-style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility, and a center lift point allows for easy lifting with cable or chain hooks. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. The transformer is grounded to the frame, and we provide a grounding lug on the frame for the earth ground. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor or outdoor use and applications including construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.